Okay, so this relatively short screencast is going to be about the extensions in VS Code that you want to install to create your development environment. So I'm assuming that you were able to find the link to install Visual Studio Code on your local machine properly, and also that you've properly installed Git for your machine. And if it's a Windows machine, my suggestion is to look for Git for Windows and use that installation to get that on your machine. So what we need after installing VS Code is these extensions. And here I've got the browser open to idmx225.netlify.com, and I call this the class blog. So I've got the blog open, and I'm going to click on Docs, scroll all the way down until I find Visual Studio Code extensions, and then scroll down. And this is the list of extensions that I want to make sure that I've installed. So as I pointed to, this icon over here in VS Code is for the extensions. I click on that and I get a search box up here, and it very nicely is predictive typing, so I can start typing and it immediately starts showing me things that match. So as you can see by the list, I need live server and live share, and they're right here. So I'm going to go ahead and install those. Live share actually puts on its own icon right down here in the left toolbar. There we go. And sometimes they'll open up their windows, which at the moment I don't need. So I've got those two. I need Beautify by Hooky QR. Install that. That went pretty quickly. Prettier, which is a very popular one by Peterson. Go ahead and close that down. Bracket pair, colorizer. There we go. Better comments. By Aaron Bond. Now, this next one, W3C requires, as it says here, requires Java to be installed globally. And I'm going to go ahead and install it here, W3C. Yeah, the W3C validation. I'm just going to move this over so we can take a look at the window. This is a very popular extension for us web developers. It's very useful, but it does require extra work to make sure that it's set up properly. So you'd have to go out, and for your particular machine, you would have to do a Java install, along with understanding and doing the setting for the Java home environment. So to do both of those things, you need administrative privileges on either your laptop or your home computer. But you pretty much need that for the whole semester as well. And then the last one that I have to install winter is coming, there it is a color theme, and you can see it went this dark blue color by default. I like using the light color. It works really well for me. You have the option of choosing any color theme that you want. If you like to follow along with what I'm doing, I'm using Winter is Coming. Okay, if we come up here and we say Show Installed Extensions, we've got Beautify, Better Comments, Bracket Pair, Colorizer, Live Server, Live Share, Prettier, W3C Validation, and Winter is Coming. So that's it for this video. I think that's all we need to say about extensions right now.